In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for health and fitness niches fast and easy. If you've ever wondered how to grab the attention of the Pinterest audience with health and fitness content, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. To get started, open your web browser and search for Pinterest. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on the first result that comes up. This will take you directly to Pinterest, the platform where you'll be setting up your health and fitness brand. Next, it's important to optimize your profile to establish yourself as a fitness authority. Start by switching to a Pinterest business account. This will not only give you access to analytics and insights about your posts, but also enable you to run ads if you ever choose to explore that option. Name your profile something catchy and specific to the health and fitness niche, perhaps something like Fit Life, Workouts, and Healthy Living. This will help you stand out and attract the right audience from the get-go. After optimizing your profile, it's time to get creative. Create boards that are specific to categories your audience is interested in. Think about home workouts, healthy meal prep, yoga for beginners, and high-protein snacks. When you craft the titles and descriptions for these boards, be sure to include relevant keywords. This will enhance your visibility in Pinterest search results, making it easier for potential followers to find you. Now let's talk about designing clickable fitness pins. Aim for tall, high-quality images that are visually striking. 1000 by 1500 pixels is a great size. Don't forget to add text overlays to grab attention. Examples include 10-minute fat-burning workout or easy 5-day meal plan. Make sure every pin is branded with your logo or color scheme to build brand recognition. Lastly, link each pin back to valuable content like your blog, a YouTube video, or a free guide to keep your audience engaged. One crucial aspect not to overlook is leveraging Pinterest SEO. Utilize popular keywords such as HIIT, workouts at home, healthy meal prep ideas, and yoga poses for beginners in your pin titles, descriptions, and even the alt text. Don't forget to add a few strategic hashtags like #fitnessmotivation or #healthylifestyle for good measure. It's essential to stay seasonal and trend-driven. Health and fitness content tends to peak during certain times of the year, such as New Year's resolutions with weight loss and fitness plans, or spring and summer with beach body workouts and healthy eating. Tailor your content accordingly to ride these seasonal trends. Finally, tracking and improving your performance is key. Use Pinterest analytics to see which pins are driving the most engagement, and supplement that with Google Analytics to track any leads or sales stemming from your Pinterest traffic. Redesign and reshare high-performing pins to extend your reach even further. So there you have it. A fast and easy way to use Pinterest for health and fitness niches. By following these steps, you'll build a solid presence, attract the right audience, and maximize your impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these.